Good morning, children. In the last session, we studied about natural numbers, whole numbers and representation of whole numbers on a number line. Today, we will study the remaining topic, which is properties of whole numbers. Properties of whole numbers. There are 4 operations on whole numbers: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we shall study the properties of these operations. Properties of additions on whole numbers. The first one is closure property of addition. The sum of any two whole numbers is always a whole number. Example, the sum of 7 and 9 is 16. And 9 is 16, which is a whole number. Second property is commutative law of addition. The addition of whole numbers is commutative, which means that the whole numbers added in any order will give the same result. Example, 36 plus 28 equals to 64, and you can write in other sense that 28 plus 36 is also 64. Now the third property is associative law of addition. The addition of whole number is associative. In other words, if a set of whole numbers are added in any combination or group, the result will be the same. Example, within a bracket you can write 4 plus 7 plus 8 equals to 19. Or in other words, you can write like this: 4, within a bracket you can write the words 7 plus 8 is also 19. Now the fourth property is existence of additive identity. The additive identity is 0, and adding 0 to a number does not change it. Example, you can write 9 plus 0 equals to 9, and in other words you can write 0 plus 9 is also a 9. Now the next topic is properties of subtraction on whole numbers. The difference of two whole numbers is not necessarily a whole number. Example, 3 and 6. You can take an example. 3 and 6 means 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3. Why I use minus over here? Because 3 is smaller than 6. When you can subtract any smaller number from a bigger number, so answers always come like this only. And minus 3 is not a whole number. But the second point is, subtraction of whole number is neither commutative nor associative. Example, 6 minus 8 is not equals to 8 minus 6. And in other words, you can write, take another example, that is 4 minus 5 minus 6 is not equals to 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay children, this was the first part of the lesson of operation on whole numbers. Please go through the topics from your textbooks. You will be given a worksheet later on, in which you will be required to do the exercises based on the above topics. Have a great day.